Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download Plex on your mobile device. Plex is an exclusive entertaining application where you watch different movies and feel secured. Movies like TV show, music, and live TV. These are a few steps you have to take in order to download Plex. Go to your Play Store app or App Store depending on your device. So for my device, I'll be making use of my Play Store app. All I have to do is to click on the search option. So right here on my search option, I just have to type in Plex. Right here, I just have to click on the install option and install it on my phone. As you can see, I already have Plex on my phone. I just have to click on the open option in order to open Plex. So guys, that is it on how to download Plex on your mobile device. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.